Hello, hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Let's Play Vlog. For today's vlog, I'm having a brunch. It's breakfast and lunch. It's broccoli pasta. Broccoli pasta right here. Broccoli pasta. Pasta for long life. So, our tradition, we always have a pasta for long life. If you have like birthday, um anniversary, any occasion, we always have pasta for long life. It's a Filipino tradition, is a Filipino style. We have to have pasta for long life. So enjoy and God bless. Courtesy of my daughter and her boyfriend. So they give this to me last night for my dinner, but I didn't eat it. I fell asleep without eating dinner. So thank you for watching, everyone. God bless. So long and see you again soon. Let's eat. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe, please don't forget to pull the notification bell, hit all, and for more updated for the next vlog. And don't skip ad. So help me to support my YouTube channel to make it big by subscribing, like, and share. Thank you very much for watching. God bless. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. And mega loud shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. Silent viewers, silent subscribers. Hello to you all, and enjoy watching my YouTube channel. And we have a matching bagel with matching bagel is with cream cheese inside. So cream cheese in there. I put them together like that. So with plain bagel with cream cheese inside and coffee, cream and sugar, of course. And we have nectarine, is white nectarine for dessert also. So simple and quick brunch, breakfast and lunch before headed to work. So it's Thursday morning. Happy Thursday to you all. It's weekend again. Hope you guys have a good weekend, and it's Valentine's Day tomorrow, and tomorrow is Friday, the 15th of February 2025. Today is the, no, sorry. Tomorrow is the 14th of February, the 14th. Valentine's Day. Today is the 13th. Today is the lucky 13th Thursday. So enjoy and God bless. So long, everyone. And let's eat. Good morning to here in Maryland, USA. Good evening and PI, Philippines. And good afternoon somewhere in UK, wherever you are. Stay safe as always. Be safe and be careful. We have a storm last night, yesterday, and like 2 days ago. So we have like 4 inches of snow, like maybe 3.5, 4.5 inches of snow. So it depends where you are. So be careful and be safe. Guys, the road is icy and slippery. So be careful and be safe. As always, thank you and God bless you all. So long and see me again as blah. You still have the snow up the hill right there. Snow up the hill. So thank you and God bless. It's me again as vlog saying, love you guys. Thank you and God bless you all. And it's me again, it's vlog always saying, love you guys and take care.